Hey folks, and welcome to week number 14. We're getting down to the end here. Two turn-in dates this week, Saturday and Thursday. Now that Saturday turn-in date, really simple. Just look over the feedback on your proposal. If everything looks good, break your central research question down into the smaller questions using the templates, the same template we used with essay number 3. Again, this is just kind of, I wanted to train you in the process with essay number 3. And then with essay number 4, you kind of get to show what you've learned. Okay, so again, we want to see this question broken down into smaller chunks, pieces of information that are going to help add up to a whole. Then Thursday, look over your feedback on your research questions. Once you've gotten feedback on those, start researching, work to answer the questions, and then there's just a quick template for a research check-in, and that asks questions like how many sources you found, your strongest source, your weakest source, and why you think they are. Okay? As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.